dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The Chief Judge of Edo State, Justice Daniel Okuboah, has instituted a 7-panel to investigate the allegation leveled against the State Deputy Governor, Phillip Shaibu. The Edo State Deputy Governor Phillip Shaibu on Friday served Godwin OBASEKI and the House of Representatives originating summon in the case instituted to halt the impeachment proceeding against him. Alright, my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back update as it dey hot. In case it's your first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification button in case anytime our news drop, now you go be the first to watch. And my people, don't be small thing they happen for this country. People, don't be small conflict they happen between Godwin OBASEKI and Phillip Shaibu, his deputy. Now, the Chief Justice of Edo State, Justice Daniel Okuboah, constituted a 7-panel to investigate the allegation leveled against the State Deputy Governor, Phillip Shaibu, by the State House of Assembly. So, this part of the process initiated by the Assembly is to impeach the Deputy Governor. You guys can recall that the Edo State House of Assembly on Tuesday had a veto resolution passed by 19 out of the 24 members directed the Chief Justice to constitute a 7-panel to investigate Shaibu. That same day, Shaibu approached an Abuja Federal High Court, asking the court through an ex parte motion to restrain the assembly. The Chief Judge and his principal, Godwin OBASEKI, from taking further action on the impeachment process pending the determination of the substantive matter before the court. So in the motion dated and filed on March 18, the Deputy Governor Phillip Shaibu, through his lawyer Oladoyin, also joined the Edo State government, the Speaker of House of Assembly, the Clerk of House of Assembly, the Director General of the Department, State Security, and the Inspector General of the Police. The court presided over by Justice James Omotoso, however, turned down the request, insisting rather than all parties being put on notice, but granted the request that the parties be served by constituted means. So the matter was adjourned to April 15, 2024. My people, the Edo State Deputy Governor Phillip Shaibu on Friday served Governor Godwin OBASEKI and the House of Assembly originating someone in a case instituted to halt the impeachment proceeding against him. It was gathered that the bailiff was earlier sent away by the security at the governor's house, but Shaibu succeeded in getting the summon to the governor by carrier on Friday morning. My people, no be small wahala. The Federal High Court in Abuja on Wednesday declined to halt the impeachment proceeding activated by the Edo State House of Assembly against Shaibu. Justice James Omotoso declined an oral application by Shaibu's lawyer, Prof. Oladoyin, asking the court to order parties in the suit marked FHC/Abuja/CS/321/2024 to maintain the status quo. In declining the prayer, the judge noted that the governor of Edo State and the Edo State House of Assembly, who are the principal actor in the matter, have not been served with the originating summon of the suit as required by the law. So the judge subsequently granted Shaibu's prayer to serve the court papers on OBASEKI and the State House of Assembly by instituted means. The House of Assembly commenced impeachment proceedings against Shaibu on March 5th, accusing him of perjury and leaking the government secrets. A source close to the Deputy Governor said that he can tell us that the originating summon has been served to the Governor and the House of Assembly. So hopefully it will help the Deputy Governor something to invade the impeachment move. So the government house source noted that the bailiff was not chased away or prevented from pasting the summon at the gate of the government house. However, the Director General of Phillip Shaibu campaign organization, Sonny Okomayi, called on OBASEKI and the House of Assembly to exercise patience as the case challenging the impeachment move had been fixed for April 15th. Okomayi told us that on Friday that the National Working Committee of the People Democratic Party should intervene in the matter and bring sanity back to the party in the state. That the way things have been done in this matter, that he wouldn't know whether if they will have another country other than Nigeria. That if a federal court can call on the party to come tomorrow to resume a case, that he thought that the House of Assembly should exercise patience. To creditors, serving the impeachment notice by substitution is illegal, while the 7 days from the day of publication has elapsed. That he's shocked that the House is in a rush to give the Chief Justice the order to constitute a panel. So it shows that they have a sinister move and they have lost faith in the kind of democracy being practiced in Edo State under Godwin OBASEKI and his House of Assembly members. My people, the Edo State Governor Godwin OBASEKI said that the suit filed by his deputy Phillip Shaibu seeking an order to stop his purported impeachment was a suspected move ahead of his defection of the All Progressive Congress. Obaseki stated this during a visit by Edo State leader to his office on Monday. He insisted that there was no plan to impeach Shaibu. Rather, Shaibu distanced himself from his governorship ambition, so he warned the deputy governor Phillip Shaibu against fueling the crisis in the state. Obaseki said that the deputy governor Phillip Shaibu has been actively engaging with senior actors both at the national and state level of the APC, negotiating his way into his party, adding that he is at the verge of finalizing move to defect to the APC. So he has to put it on record that he is not aware of any plot or any scheme to impeach the deputy governor, Comrade Phillip Shaibu, that he has also checked and there was no such plan. So the court action taken for him is a thing of shock and disappointment that he's trying to reflect on the move made by somebody that has given him a broad latitude to do his work as deputy governor. So for him to take this kind of action is so shocking to him, which means it is clear what has happened in the last few weeks is a planned move for him to conclude what he has started. That most of them from Akokedo can recall that when he was discussing the issue of the local government chairman, that's of Onwa, that there was a lot of resistance from him on the candidates he wanted to impose on him. So he listened to his entreaties and thought that what he was recommending was fair. So he can be recommending the son of an APC leader in that local government. So he resisted and saw some reasons and acceded to his request. Then the next thing he saw on social media that Shaibu was in Abuja rubbing mind with the opposition party, and he heard for months now that he has been in close consultation with friends from another party because he was not sure that the leader of PDP will give him the ticket as governor in 2024. So he must state this, that Phillip Shaibu has never had the mind to discuss his ambition with him. That the last time he spoke with his successor after the House of Assembly election, he told them to be patient, that their task is to try and finish well and conclude all the projects they have at hand. But it's only when they do the right thing that they have the support of the people for his successor. So now he believed that Phillip Shaibu action by him is a planned move to get a court order to keep his ticket and move to another party. Godwin Obaseki said it's unfair for their party. Moreover, their party don't need this kind of crisis. They have been getting calls all over the world, and it's rather sad that somebody who is part of an administration will do this to the administration because of his personal ambition. So he's angry, but naturally he should be disappointed that he understands what is going on, and he thank them for their solidarity. So he should not be distracted but consolidated and unite as party and bring all on board. Honestly, what is happening now is really unfortunate, as the people of Edo North have met severally over a week thinking of what to do over the face of between Governor Godswill Obaseki and Shaibu. They've sent powerful delegation to Deputy Governor to make peace with his boss, but they were surprised that he turned it down. They have reached out to him, but he turned their offer down. Taking the governor to court is most unfortunate, and they can't keep quiet but to speak out over the developments. So the deputy governor decided not to work closely with Godwin Obaseki because of personal ambition to become governor of Edo State. Hey, my people, make I know what you think about this matter in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of the segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe, guys. Bye.